A sad day for the people of Omuma local government and Rivers State in general as Dr. George Nweke displays his true nature. It is with heavy heart that we as Omuma LGA political stakeholders address you today in reaction to the actions of one of our sons, Dr. George. A sad day for the people of Omuma local government and Rivers State in general as Dr. George Nweke displays his true nature. It is with a heavy heart that we as Omuma local government political stakeholders address you today in reaction to the actions of one of our sons, Dr. George Nweke, who is the immediate past head of service of Rivers State. As a people, we are grateful to His Excellency Governor Fubara for finding our son worthy to occupy the office of the head of service, the first of its kind for an Omuma man. We are not altogether astounded by Dr. George Nweke's recent propaganda against our dear governor, Sim Fubara. We have also suspected that sooner than later, his true nature will take the better part of him. Never imagine that it will take this dimension of peddling blatant falsehood against an innocent man who is his benefactor and who has prioritized the well-being of Omuma people after 8 harrowing years of the last administration. Dr. George Nweke's actions do not reflect the character of a true Omuma man. Omuma people are not known for peddling falsehood and lying in a bid to gain favor. We have in a good authority that Dr. George Nweke, who a few days ago had reached out to the Chief of Staff and Governor for financial assistance, has out of impatience sought other means to get succor, including blackmailing the governor and some top officials in his administration. From his press briefing, it is obvious that he has been compromised to proclaim this level of falsehood. We state categorically that there is no element of truth in all Dr. George Nweke has said in his press briefing, as he was not a member of the local government inner caucus, much more being part of the state caucus. He was so excluded from the local government and state caucus because of his desire for betrayal and unstable nature. It is sad that Dr. George Nweke has allowed himself to be used as a tool in the hands of some persons who have consciously tried to undermine the peace process in Rivers State initiated by Mr. President. This we condemn in all ramifications. We urge the general public to disregard such a character, as there is no truth in all he has said, as confirmed by his wife in a viral social media video. Finally, we pledge our undiluted loyalty and continuous support to His Excellency Governor Fubara for all he has done for the good people of Omuma and his disposition towards achieving lasting peace through the ongoing peace process initiated by Mr. President.
Yeah.